What's up, beautiful, wonderful, peace loving people? It's me, your one and only King Casey Joe. If you're new in the family, I want you to take a look at that subscribe button. Yeah, that red one right there. Go ahead and smash it real hard. Smash it because I like it like that. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make your first $100 online. So stick with me, guys. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so you don't want to miss anything. So first of all, we're going to be using two sites. We head over to the first site where we get the CPA offer that we're going to be promoting. So we'll go straight over to adworkmedia. That's what we'll do. I know what you're thinking right now. Adworkmedia, you want to skip this video and go straight create an account. No, you ain't gonna get it right. You need to stay to the end of this video to actually see what I did. You understand? So it's typical. So it's loading. So here we are in adworkmedia where we get our CPA offer. So when you scroll up here, you see publishers sign up, quick sign up. So you're gonna click on that because you're a publisher. Yeah, that's how easy it is. When there's money, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. When you scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. So you're going to see publishers earn more from your traffic. So quick sign up. We're gonna click on that, and now it brings us to the form. So you're going to fill this form. I already have an account with this adworkmedia, so you're going to put in your first name, your last name, email address, password, and your nickname, address, zip code, whatever. You're going to properly fill this form and submit it. So adworkmedia will approve your application some minutes or a day later. So when you submitted your application. So just like I said, I already have an account on adworkmedia, so we're going to move straight to my account and I'm going to show you how you get things done. So let's go straight to my account. I already saved my user publisher dashboard, so it will be very easy to log in. Okay guys, we are in. So when your application is approved, this is what you see. So now we're going to load the campaigns to actually select what we want to promote. So we're going to go tap this button right here that says campaign, all campaigns, and it's loading. It's loading. Chill out, guys. We're gonna go through this together, like I'm going to show you the real deal. I know many of you have been searching online for like years now how to make money online, no results, but I'll show you. This is what you've been looking for. This is a rad video for you. Just like I said before, if you're new to this channel or you're already a member of the crown, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. If you haven't done so, leave us a like because it helps this video rank, and people who are searching for it, with your help they will find it. So we need more likes. Leave a comment down below saying hashtag make money online. It's very important, guys. Here in the Crown's family, we'll help each other grow. That's how it works. It's loading, patient, and it's downloading. So what we're gonna do, They're gonna filter this campaign because what we want to promote is only US CPA offers. So we're gonna click on this button that says all categories, and we're going to select zip and email and zip submit. Yeah, so all conversions, let's go with email submit. So we'll move on to the next step, which is all status approved public campaigns, because we don't have the time to write an application to a company to approve us to start promoting their offer. We don't have time for that, so that would be a waste of time. So all countries want to choose United States. Stick with me, guys, we're getting there. So now that we are done selecting all this filter, we are going to click on filter campaigns. So it's going to select all the whole US campaign. And boom. So one thing we forgot to do. Let's see. Why is this thing? Okay. It's okay. Wait, this all campaigns right here. All incense campaigns. So you want to select that. And we're going to go back again and filter campaigns. It's loading, and yeah. So right here, this offer at the top, $75 grocery gift card, submit US. So when the particular traffic from US submits their email address and maybe probably their name, you get paid $2.40. Yeah, that's how it works. Then this one right here, $2.40, email submit. This one is eBay, $100 gift card. So these are kind of offers we would like to promote. So guys, I would advise, if you're promoting any offer, please do not promote any offer that is below $1.40. Please do not promote such offers. So now we're going to take one of this offer that we want to promote. We're going to go ahead and take the link, click on the offer, and it brings us here. So to actually get this link that we are going to drive the traffic to, have to scroll down. Okay, this is it right here. Yeah, copy. So guys, we have our affiliate link. So if we drive traffic to this link, it takes people to the offer. So when they are done with the offer, we get paid. So let's move on to the next step. So we are done with adworkmedia for now. Let's move on to the next step. So now I know what you might be thinking. King, I've got no source of traffic. How do I get traffic for this affiliate link? Getting traffic is not easy. Calm down, chill. I'm gonna show you how you're going to do those things step by step. That's why I said just stick with me. Stick with me, guys. I'm the king here. I'm leading. So just calm down, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. So let's move on to the next step. So we're going to be using a site called Picoworkers. Many of you might have heard of that site. Yeah, Picoworkers. So what are we going to do with this Picoworker? First of all, let's go and see what Picoworker is all about. Let's go and see what Picoworker is all about, and we're going to Okay, what is Picoworker? Picoworkers.com is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing marketplace. Picoworker.com connects clients and freelancers globally from all over the world. What are the things I can do to earn some real bucks? Clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social networks, writing, testing websites, data entry, downloading, searching, installing and testing mobile apps, right through to language learning, sales and marketing, accounting and legal services. So guys, that's what Picoworker is all about. So we're going to use site to bring our traffic. So we're not going to be working here if you have the cash. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to create a job for the Picoworkers to do. So okay, right here this one says okay, travel agency marketing test visit. This one is going to pay you 3 cents. YSN sign up survey, this one is going to pay you 20 cents. Star click sign up new user alone, this one is going to pay you 10 cents. So you can see people are making money from this site. People are actually bringing things from other places and placing jobs right here, so the workers on Picoworker accomplish those things, and the people who placed these things are making tons of money. Yeah, so that's what we do here. So if you don't have up to $15 to place a job right here, to place our affiliate link to other people to complete our offers, what you're going to do is do some task here and quickly raise up $15. As you can see on my dashboard, I recently signed up for Picoworkers, so just to show you guys, I earned $1.10 earned pending 50 cents. So to show you that the site actually pays, it's 100% legit. So once you're done getting your $15, move on to the next step, which is posting a job. Yes, find job, my task, my job. So I'm gonna click on post job right down here, post job. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually tell people to go to our affiliate link, complete an offer and get paid. So and we're going to put that at 20 cents per worker. So let's move on to our calculator. Let's move on to our calculator. So when you have 20 people do your task, you're going to pay them 20 cents per person. So 20 times 25 people, equals to 500, which is $5. Yeah, $5. So we're going to use $5 to get 25 people to actually complete your offer. So this is what's going to happen. The offer we're promoting is paying $2.40. So when you check it, two times 25 equals to 50. So we use $5 to actually attract $50. I'm not going to add other cents because we might want to get more workers, or might want to add some cents to what they are actually going to be paid. So we're just going to calculate it at the rate of $2. So when you use $5 for instance and place a request of 25 people, so once they are done with the offer and they submit their proof, you go through the proof and it's real, and you check your adworkmedia dashboard and you see that, yeah, 25 people actually completed your offer. So you get $50. From that $50, you take it and take $5 and pay them, so you have $45 for yourself. So guys, this is very easy. Don't want a lifetime opportunity, so you're gonna make the best out of it. So that's how easy it is to start making your first dollar online. Your first dollar plus online. So it's very easy, guys. We go out there. Don't just watch this video and looking for how to make money online. Make sure you put in what you've learned, put in the work, and see the result. Just sit down. Money is not going to fall from heaven. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment down below saying hashtag make money online, because this helps this video get this video, it makes the video more visible to people who are searching for it. People need things like this. So if you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, this video is going to be more visible to those people who really need it the most. Thanks for watching. It's me, your one and only King Casey Joe. See you on the next one.